Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to encrypt folders with passwords on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. In order for you to encrypt a folder, what you're going to do here is look for that folder that you want to encrypt, right click, and then this time you have to look for properties. Under properties, you have to tap on the advanced option, click advanced here, and then tap on encrypt this folder. Basically, if you are other user or other administrator and want to try to open this folder, unfortunately, you cannot open this. Okay, so what happens for other users if someone logs into the same PC with a different account, they'll see the folder but they cannot open or read any files inside. It will give them a message like, you don't have permission to access this file. Even administrators can view the encrypted files unless they decrypt them using your account. This is not a password prompt, but it works like a lock tied to your user account. If you delete your user account without decrypting, the files may become permanently inaccessible. So I really hope that this video somehow help you. This is not to mislead you. This is just to show you that you can only encrypt the folder, but you cannot create a password for that. If you want to add password to your file or folder, you need to extract this one and use a third-party application like 7-Zip. You need to tap on 7-Zip and then add to archive. Here you can see this add new password below. All you have to do is to add password here and then tap on OK. And basically, this is how easy it is to encrypt folders with passwords on Windows.